welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to see the difference between different types of crypto wallets. If you still haven't enrolled yourself for CoinCraft Blueprint, I highly recommend you to now because that is literally the only course on the internet teaching you how you can make stable, guaranteed, risk-free money by creating your own crypto simply. It's a very simple process. So let's just jump right into it. In a nutshell, crypto wallets are cold wallets and hot wallets. Hot wallets are basically online wallets which are connected to the internet. These provide easy access for quick transactions, but they have a potential risk. They can be hacked into. On the other hand, cold wallets are offline wallets. They are not connected to the internet, making them highly secure but very less convenient for frequent trading, as well as very expensive because you have to pay additional fees to transfer every time. Gas fee can be very high. Depends on what network you're using. If you're using Ethereum network, obviously gas price can go very high. So I found this great comparison between hot wallets and cold wallets from crypto.com. The main difference between a hot wallet is that it is connected to the internet, whereas cold wallets are kept offline, which makes them highly secure because they are not connected to the internet, which makes them less vulnerable to hacks or attacks. Hot wallets are basically web-based wallets. These can be mobile wallets or desktop wallets, whereas cold wallets are paper-based or hardware wallets, such as Treasure, Ledger. These two are hardware wallets. Hot wallets are vulnerable to hacking, whereas cold wallets, it's extremely hard to hack into a cold wallet unless you know the private keys and you have access to the hardware wallet. These are very easy and convenient to use because they are already connected to the internet, whereas cold wallets are very less convenient, and as I told you earlier, they can be very expensive. Hot wallets are best suited for beginners who are trading regularly, whereas cold wallets are best suited for those who are holding their crypto for a very long time. Moving on, what is the difference between exchange or third-party custody wallets versus self-custody wallets? So I think the name is pretty self-explanatory. Third-party custody or exchange wallets, such as Binance wallets, are basically you give up the custody of your crypto and now Binance owns your crypto. Even though it reflects in your Binance account, the ownership of the asset or crypto belongs to Binance because they own the private keys, not you. Whereas in case of self-custody wallets, you have the private keys of your wallet, which means you have the ownership to your crypto. It's a very common saying in crypto space, not your keys, not your crypto. Let's just look at this chart. So in terms of hot wallet, self-custody and third-party custody, self-custody is Exodus, MetaMask, Atomic, BRD. There are tons of options. I personally find MetaMask to be the best one. This is my personal opinion. Some people find Coinbase wallet to be the best one. Whereas when it comes to the hot wallet, third-party custody, Binance, Coinbase, OKEx, all of these wallets, basically exchange wallets, are third-party custody wallets. In terms of cold wallets, self-custody is Treasure and Ledger. These are the two biggest names. Undoubtedly, I've used Ledger for a very long time. Great experience. If you want to store your crypto for a very long time or you are a hodler, then definitely go for a Ledger wallet. Treasure is also good. And similarly, a cold wallet is Bitco or Coinbase custody wallet, which again is an offline wallet, means this is not connected to the internet. So all these wallets are not connected to the internet. That makes them highly secure, but at the same time, they're very expensive since you have to move your crypto and they're not very convenient to use as well. Examples of the wallets are MetaMask, Exodus, Coinbase wallets. These are all hot self-custody wallets. Means you own the private keys. So what are the private keys? A short answer is keys to your wallet. Basically, it's like a key to your crypto. If you lose this key, your crypto is gone. Private keys of any hot or cold wallet is a 12, 18, or 24 word pattern that is unique to a specific wallet. We will actually see this since at the end of this video, we will be signing up to our MetaMask wallet, which we will be using to create our Launchpad listing and our token as well. These private keys are meant to be written on a paper and kept somewhere very safe, as they are the only way you can access your crypto. So if you lose the private keys, you basically lose your crypto forever. Unfortunately, people lose millions dollar worth of crypto every year as they lose their private keys. It should be kept offline, meaning you cannot take the pictures and keep it in your iPhone gallery or maybe your Mac or Windows. So just write all the private keys on a piece of paper and that's it. Just keep that piece of paper somewhere very secure. I highly recommend making at least 5 or 6 copies, writing by hand. And that's how you keep your crypto very safe. So what are the recommended wallets? Like I said earlier as well, MetaMask for me has been the best wallet since last 4 or 5 years. I think since 2019. This is 2024. I am using Coinbase wallet as well. I'm using DeFi wallet, which is by crypto.com. Coinbase wallet is by Coinbase. By the way, Coinbase wallet is different from Coinbase Exchange wallet. Coinbase Exchange wallet is a third-party custody wallet, just like Binance wallet, whereas Coinbase wallet is kind of a hot wallet where you have the private keys of your own crypto. Similarly, crypto.com wallet is different and DeFi wallet is totally different. So for those of you who don't know how to create a MetaMask wallet, we'll be going forward and creating our MetaMask wallet that we will be using to create our crypto tokens as well as launchpad listing, and we will be moving the funds to that crypto wallet. So just go and search for MetaMask wallet. The first link, actually just go to Google Chrome extension, simply add this to the Chrome. I'm just creating this wallet as an example. Obviously, this is not the wallet that I'll be using. So you can create a new wallet or you can import an existing one. If you click on import an existing one, you'll have to input the 12, 18, or 20 words pattern private keys that are unique to your wallet. Let's just go back. And in my case, I'm just creating a new wallet. You're creating your own password. I'm just gonna just enter some random password, as this wallet will be deleted after this video. Okay, so remind me later about your private keys. Just go ahead, click on secure my wallet. Now, once you click here, you will see your private keys. So this is a unique private key just specifically for your MetaMask wallet. You need to write it on a piece of paper, which I highly recommend, in similar pattern. So let's just say I'll just copy this to clipboard for now. Again, this is not the wallet that I'll be using, so I'll just delete this wallet. You can see the private keys is totally fine. So once you click on next, it will ask you what is the word number 3, what was word number 6, etc. So that just to make sure you actually wrote it somewhere and you have the access to all private keys to your MetaMask wallet. And that's it. So I have successfully created my MetaMask wallet. Here you go. These are some of the tutorial videos. Now it should automatically appear here. I'll just go to manage my extensions. It's here and I'll just pin this. So once you do that, you will have access to your MetaMask wallet. It should look something like this. And by default, the mainnet selected will be Ethereum. What I always do when I sign up for a new wallet, I just go ahead and I click on show test networks. And if you don't find BNB or Binance Smart Chain here, just click on add network and select BNB chain. So once you do this, now you will have an option to switch between Ethereum, Linea, and BNB, which is the wallet and mainnet that we will be using. You can also add Solana or any other Polygon, any other mainnet. Totally depends on what you want to use. In this example, we'll be creating a BNB, sorry, BEP20 token, which will be on Binance Smart Chain. So I will need some BNBs. If you're creating an Ethereum token, just select Ethereum mainnet. You will need some Ethereum for gas fees and token creation. You can create as many accounts as you wish. So yeah, this is a very simple process how you can sign up for your MetaMask wallet. Again, when it comes to the Chrome extension, you can just switch between the networks, you can switch between the accounts, and all your assets will be shown here. So once you are done with this, we'll proceed to the next video, which is a very important video. We'll be going through the overview of the entire game plan from beginning to the end, what launchpad we will be using for this. So this is a very important video, and I recommend you create your MetaMask wallet before proceeding to the next lecture. So see you in the next video.